The Lost Rainbow Horn. Long ago, in a magical forest, there lived a young unicorn named Sparkle. Unlike the other unicorns, Sparkle's horn shone with all the colors of the rainbow. One morning, Sparkle woke up and gasped. "My horn has lost its colors," she cried. The beautiful rainbow glow had disappeared, leaving her horn plain white. Sparkle ran to ask the wise owl, Oliver, for help. "To bring back the colors," said Oliver, "you must find 3 magical gems: the ruby of courage, the sapphire of kindness, and the emerald of hope." Without wasting a moment, Sparkle began her journey. First, she crossed a rushing river. A frightened rabbit was trapped on a rock. Even though Sparkle was nervous, she carefully helped the rabbit reach the shore. Suddenly, a red gem appeared before her. "The ruby of courage," Sparkle exclaimed. Next, she entered a crystal cave. There she met a baby dragon who had lost his way. Sparkle stayed with him until he found his family. A blue gem floated into her hoof. The sapphire of kindness. Finally, Sparkle climbed a misty mountain. Thick clouds blocked her path, but she never gave up. At the top, a glowing green gem appeared. The emerald of hope. When Sparkle placed the 3 gems together, a burst of rainbow light filled the sky. Her horns sparkled brighter than ever before. All the animals cheered as colorful rainbows stretched across the forest.
From that day on, Sparkle learned that the true magic of her rainbow horn came from courage, kindness, and hope. And whenever a rainbow appeared in the sky, everyone remembered the brave little unicorn who brought color back to the world.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss another magical story. See you next time. Bye-bye.